Asal-usulnya bersina orang sebesar ini, namanya kan kita dulu yang lain, hasil beberapa masuk ada, masuk ada waktu masa bulan itu jadi berkawan, pada masa itu masa itu kalau begini, kita berpikir posisi asing, atau ada posisi atau sebelum jadi sesuatu yang masuk. Kami berhasil adalah melakukan perjalanan dari sebelum itu bagi saya sendiri. Kemudian dari masyarakat bersama dengan kita sebelum ini mempunyai komunikasi yang dalam I have to propose a difference. Benar benar sangat sulit untuk solusi yang benar dan dibantu dari dalam semua saya. Cuma nak berbeda dengan dari bisnis suatu usaha bersama yang kami.
Thank you for coming today. My name is Priscilla Mayanja. I am the firstborn child of Mayanja. These are my little sisters, Bakabye, Jasmine, Audrey. This is my brother, Paul. That they love all of us. That they make sure we never lack. That they always provide. That he was my best friend. He was my friend. It was nothing. I couldn't tell my father. Even during the last moments, I remember vividly to Sunday, again after Thursday, but Sunday and again they were coming mulaba. Nangamba, go nirira, labika bulungi. And we joked, and that was the last good memory I remember because we were little, I in so much pain. But I have a koye, kama koye, mundeke. No, you have to fight. And he kept asking, but what to go? I'm tired. I don't have much to say. Most of it has been said. But I would like to thank these friends because we are together the first time I got new. Uncle P nangamba, Uncle Pius nangamba, Uncle Taata wasingo bamanya. Creating a WhatsApp group so that you update them and they offer any help. Narina number I think I had like only 5 contacts. I created that group, but very rarely there were over 200 people that have been helping. They have been sending money. They have been sending things, food. They have really helped, and I'm so grateful to all of you. Thank you so much. We wouldn't have gone through this situation without you. And I would like to offer special thanks to Shamira Alimu. States, but then Shamira, thank you so much. Faithfully to come. Well, I know we jump right.
Kali huyu asende boogera Priscilla doza abantu bonna ab'okulisoni ekayembe omumanyi bulungi basiru ne banyabo waliwo erifas one erifas